Hey there, fellow creators. Can you believe that the captivating videos and animations you're enjoying right now can be generated from just a single input image? Well, it's not magic, it's the power of AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating these amazing videos in just one click. No more waiting, let's dive right in. Alright, so here's the breakdown. We'll start by generating the images that will serve as our input. For this, I'm using the latest Stable Diffusion's Model 1.0. Let's say I want to create some awesome cartoon animations. So, I'll give the AI a prompt like a surprising cartoon image in a Disney style. I'll select an aspect ratio of 16:9 and the photographic style to ensure the best results. Look at these results. I'll choose this image as it fits the vibe I'm going for. Now, it's time to transform these images into videos. To do that, I'm turning to Runway ML's Model Gen 2. The great thing is, you can now upload your images as inputs. So, I'll upload the image we just generated. For the best results, I'll leave the prompt area blank and hit that Generate button. In less than a minute, our video is ready. Check out this animation. It's already looking fantastic. But wait, this video is only 4 seconds long. Let me show you a neat trick to extend its length. Head over to the last frame of your video and take a screenshot. Now, upload that screenshot to Runway ML again. No need for a prompt, just hit Generate. Voila! Our new video continues seamlessly from where the previous one ended. You can repeat this process for as long as you want. Once you've generated all the videos you need, download them one by one. Then, use any video editing software, even on your phone, to combine them into a smooth sequence. And there you have it, a complete, seamless video with no flickers or cuts. But remember, if you take too many screenshots, video quality might degrade slightly over time. It's a small trade-off for a brilliant result. That's a wrap on this tutorial. Now you know how to transform a single image into captivating animations and extend their length effortlessly. If you're into the AI scene, consider subscribing to Easy Access Tech for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.